Hi, I'm Darren Hurst, Head of IT at Shelter, the housing and homelessness charity. We engaged with Cybility to help us with Shelter's cyber incident response plan because while we've got a plan, it was very technically focused. So we've asked Cybility specifically to help us engage other parts of the business and get them really involved in the plan. So we had the workshop and really engaging, everyone got involved and we got clear next steps and an outcome. So other workshops that we've been involved in have been very dry and non-engaging, whereas the Cybility workshop was led by fun and gamified experiences, so it's much more engaging and everyone had a lot more energy in the room and could contribute better.